Ever felt like your important signed documents have vanished into thin air? Today, we're going to unlock the mystery of accessing your old DocuSign documents. First, open your web browser and go to DocuSign.com. Enter the email address associated with your DocuSign account. This is crucial for accessing your personalized document history. Next, type in your password and click the login button. Make sure caps lock isn't on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. Look for the Documents tab. It's usually located in the top navigation bar. Click on it. Now, you're in the Documents section. To find your previously signed documents, you'll want to filter by status. Click on Completed. This will display all documents that have been fully signed and finalized. You'll now see a list of all your completed documents. Use the search bar to quickly find specific documents by name, sender, or date. Once you've located the document you need, click on it to open it. From here, you can review the signed document, download a copy to your computer, or even print it. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your old DocuSign documents with DocuSign Secure Cloud Storage. You can rest assured your important documents are always within reach.